The answer to this question is not always simple. Many factors can contribute to the success or failure of an online store. However, there are some key things that small businesses should keep in mind when they are setting up and running their e-commerce operations. One of the most important things for small businesses to remember is the importance of optimization. For an online store to be successful, it needs to be visible to potential customers. The store is designed to make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for, and the checkout process should be streamlined and efficient. Additionally, the store is designed to load quickly and be easy to navigate. Another important factor for small businesses to keep in mind is the need to provide excellent customer service. It means promptly responding to questions and concerns, offering fast and free shipping, and providing an easy return policy. Additionally, small businesses should ensure their contact information is easily accessible on their website. Lastly, small businesses must ensure that they are constantly innovating and evolving. The e-commerce landscape is always changing, and small businesses need to be able to change with it. It means staying up to date with the latest trends, implementing new technologies, and offering unique and appealing products. By keeping these things in mind, small businesses can increase their chances of success in e-commerce. However, it is important to remember that there is no guaranteed path to success and that each business must find its way to stand out from the competition. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.